Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn short phrases in Dinka language and we translate them into English. So the first thing we need to know is atautin. Atautin atautin mean to be present. To be present. Something that is present is atautin. And the opposite is aliutin. Aliutin. Aliutin mean to be absent or absent, not there or absent. So let us take for example number one, wa atau bai, wa atau bai, wa atau bai, wa atau bai. Wa mean father, my father. Atau we get it here before present. Bai mean home. That means my father is at home. My father is at home, or my father is present at home. That means wa atau bai. My father is at home. Bai mean home. Number two, let us see ma aliu bai. Ma aliu bai. Ma aliu bai. Ma mean mother, my mother. Aliu mean not there or absent. Bai mean home. That means my mother is not at home. My mother is not at home. In Dinka it's called ma aliu bai. Ma aliu bai. My mother is not at home. Number three, we say pal atau tin. Pal atau tin. Pal atau tin. Pal mean knife. Knife. Atau mean present. Tin there. Tin there. That means there is a knife. There is a knife. There is a knife. That means in Dinka we say pal atau tin. Pal atau tin. Pal mean knife. Atau mean there. Tin there. Present. There is a knife. Number four we need to learn is a new word. Tony aliu hot. Tony aliu hot. Tony aliu hot. Can you guess how we translate it into English? Tony mean pot. Pot. Aliu, we know it is absent. Yeah, absent. So that means pot is not in the house. Pot is not in the house. Hot. 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 Hot mean house. House. You see guys, pal atotin, there is a knife. Ton aliu hot, pot is not in the house. So number five we need to know is dak aliu bai. Dak aliu bai. Dak aliu bai. Dak mean the term word for dak mean is a plural of boy. So they are boys. Dak mean boys. Aliu mean absent. Bai mean home. That means boys are not at home. Boys are not at home, or boys are absent at home. Simple like that. Dak aliu bai. Dak is a plural form for boys. Boys. If it is singular, we call dog. Dog. And if it is plural, we call dak. So we have known it, guys. Let us go to number six. Number six means nyir atau bai. Nyir atau bai. Nyir atau bai. Nyir mean girls. Atau present. Bai mean home. That means girls are at home. Girls are at home, or girls are present at home. Simply, like nyir atau bai. Girls are at home, and the opposite was like dak aliu bai. Boys are not at home. So you know, boys always they are not at home, but that is not the case. I just want to give the opposite example how to use aliu and atotin. So that means that aliu by boys are not at home, near ato by girls are at home. Number 7 we need to learn is a new word, pew, 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 pa, e, u, pew, pew ato thin, pew ato thin, pew ato thin, pew ato thin mean, pew mean water, ato thin mean prison. That means there is water, there is water, there is water, there is water. In Dinka we call it pew ato thin, pew ato thin, pew ato thin, pew ato thin, there is water. And the other new word and the last one is, which is number 8, is cha aliu tin, cha 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 aliu tin. The term word for cha mean milk, milk, milk is not there, milk is not there. That means cha aliu tin, milk is not there. Okay guys, let us make a quick recap. Ato thin mean to present, aliutin mean not there or absent. For example, number 1, wa ato by my father is at home, ma aliu by my mother is not at home, pal ato thin there is a knife, toin aliu pot is not in the house, dark aliu by boys are not at home, near ato by girls are at home, pew atotin there is water, cha aliutin milk is not there. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this one very interesting. So, and I will be bringing you more videos of Dinka language. Let us learn Dinka language together. I really appreciate those of you who turn up to subscribe. They also share my video. They also like. They also comment. That is what we want, guys. So we want to learn together. If you need something, you comment it there in the comment section. Tell me you add this one and I will come and make the research, make translation and make it as a video so that you also learn more. That is how we do it here, guys. Thank you so much. I'm William Majak. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will bring more videos in this channel. The purpose is to learn Dinka language and also English. That is it. Thank you. Bye. God bless you.